Sun's Hot Secret. Chapter 1, The Mysterious Sun. Once upon a time in a small town, there was a group of curious students who loved to explore the world around them. One sunny day, as they gathered for their science class, their minds were filled with questions about the hot and blazing sun. They wondered why it was so scorching and why it seemed to emit such intense heat. The students eagerly raised their hands, eagerly waiting for their teacher, Mr. Johnson, to provide them with some answers. Chapter 2, The Enthusiastic Discussion. Mr. Johnson, a wise and patient teacher, smiled at his curious students. He knew that their enthusiasm for learning was boundless. He began the class by encouraging them to share their thoughts and questions about the sun's heat. One student, Emily, suggested that the sun might be made of fire, while another student, Alex, wondered if the sun was a giant ball of lava. As the students continued their enthusiastic discussion, Mr. Johnson listened carefully to each idea. He appreciated their curiosity and wanted to nurture their love for science. Finally, he raised his hand, signaling for the class to quiet down. "All of your ideas are interesting," he said, "but let me shed some light on the matter." Chapter 3, The Teacher's Explanation. Mr. Johnson proceeded to explain that the sun was not made of fire or lava. He told the students that the sun is actually a gigantic star, composed mainly of hydrogen gas. Through a process called nuclear fusion, the sun's core fuses hydrogen atoms together to form helium, releasing an enormous amount of energy in the process. This energy is what creates the sun's intense heat and light. The students listened attentively as Mr. Johnson continued his explanation. He described how the sun's core is incredibly hot, with temperatures reaching millions of degrees Celsius. The heat produced in the core radiates outward, reaching the sun's surface, known as the photosphere. From there, the heat and light travel through space, illuminating our planet and providing warmth. Chapter 4, The Sun's Importance. In the following chapter, Mr. Johnson delved deeper into the sun's significance. He explained how the sun's energy is crucial for life on Earth. Plants use sunlight to produce food through a process called photosynthesis, while animals, including humans, rely on plants for sustenance. The sun also influences our climate and weather patterns, creating seasons and regulating temperatures across the globe. As the students absorbed this newfound knowledge, they were amazed by the intricate relationship between the sun and life on Earth. They marveled at how a star located millions of miles away could have such a profound impact on their daily lives. Chapter 5, The Power of Knowledge. In the final chapter, Mr. Johnson encouraged the students to continue exploring and questioning the world around them. He reminded them that science is a never-ending journey of discovery, and their curiosity would lead them to even greater insights. The students left the classroom that day with their minds buzzing with excitement. They had gained a deeper understanding of the sun's heat and its vital role in sustaining life on Earth. They realized that knowledge was like a sunbeam, illuminating their path and igniting their desire to learn even more. With this newfound appreciation for the wonders of the universe, they set out on a lifelong quest to unravel the mysteries of the world, one question at a time. The end.